2018 Toyota Camry SE model, 4-cylinder, 2.5 4-cylinder, 8-speed. It has 18-inch wheel wrapping with Bridgestone Terrenza. Got leather interiors, soft touch, door panels. Welcome to the driver's seat. Got a auto power seat for driver and passenger. Got a steering wheel with soft touch material. Same thing with the dash, a soft touch material. That's a good improvement. This one is the SE model and doesn't come with navigation. Your paddle shift. Got the sunroof, automatic window all around with the master control switch right here. And on the steering wheel we have the volume control, voice control, phone connection, then these four way arrow for adjusting selecting function on the MID. And on the cluster gauge we have the analog analog RPM gauge. You got the speedometer gauge, and in the center there we have the small displays for multi-display like odometer, temperature, and all kind of information, basic information for the driver. Over here we have all the power button control for home, menu, audio information. On that one we have apps, phone, tracks, and 6. And also on here we have the touchscreen, so come standard with iHeartRadio and other radios or media software pre-installed in the vehicle. We have the AC controller here for temperature, fan speed, and the mode for the face, the feet, and for the windshield. And we have the regular shifter. Alright, so let's go for a test drive and see how this 2.5 cylinder and the 8-speed come along. Let's go do it. Alright, 2018 Toyota Camry SE model with 100 with the 2.5 liter engine made with 8-speed transmission, making 203 horsepower, 184 foot-pound torque. And this car is just amazing for what it is. You know that you get Toyota, reliable and long lasting. Yeah, of course it's reliable, right? And comfort. And I'm surprised that these Toyota Camry, yes, this is 2018, but it comes standard with dynamic cruise control, lane keep assist, and collision warning system. I'm surprised that these 2.5 liter engine with 8-speed transmission, they're working so well together. Surprised that the shifting is so smooth. You can't even feel it shifting from one gear to another one. And it's like very fast shifting upshift, downshift, just amazing. And you would be surprised like how much power the 2.5 liter engine has. Yes, it only has 203 horsepower, but with the high rev engine and the new made with the closed gear ratio, the 8-speed, it just come along really well. It's a really fun car for daily drive, and it's just amazing how Toyota making their car just keep the quality of their car right now. We're gonna do some acceleration, stop and go, and see how this 2.5 liter and the 8-speed working. So far, it's working amazing. I like it. Surprise for the stock exhaust has got some pretty good sound. Like even out all the gear, so it just make it fun to drive. Downshift is very fast too. It's like no lagging or delay in shifting at all. Wow, I'm amazed how the engine is hanging to the higher RPM, and the power band is just like kicking in. Just pure fun on these, you know, like 4-cylinder high rev engine. Talking about like reliable and long lasting, Toyota Camry is just like one of those cars that will last you for what, like for generation, for decades. Look at that power, just like smooth. A little fun I want to share with you, and this Toyota Camry can be a really fun car. Alright, hope that you like it. Please leave a comment if you like these Camry, what don't you like about it, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you.